Welcome to Tech Machine. This video in turmeric powder manufacturing process in factory, the golden spice has been used for centuries for its flavor, color, and medicinal properties. But have you ever wondered how this vibrant spice is processed and manufactured? It all starts with raw turmeric roots, freshly harvested from farms. These roots are carefully selected for their quality and purity before entering the factory. First, the turmeric roots go through a thorough washing process to remove dirt, soil, and impurities. Clean water and rotating drums ensure that every piece is spotless. Next, the roots are boiled. This is a crucial step as it helps to soften the roots, making them easier to dry and process. Boiling also enhances the color of the turmeric. After boiling, the roots are spread out and dried. There are two methods for drying turmeric: sun drying and mechanical drying. In factories, controlled heat and air are often used for faster and consistent drying. Once fully dried, the roots are hard and brittle. These are now ready to be ground into powder. The dried roots are crushed and then ground into fine turmeric powder. Using powerful grinding machines. This grinding process is closely monitored to achieve the perfect texture. The finer the grind, the better the quality of the turmeric powder. Before packaging, the turmeric powder undergoes stringent quality checks. Samples are tested for purity, color, and moisture content to ensure that the final product meets industry standards. Once approved, the turmeric is packaged in airtight containers to lock in its freshness and aroma. Modern packaging ensures that it remains free from contamination during storage and transportation. Every packet is sealed, labeled, and ready for distribution to markets and homes worldwide. The journey of turmeric from farm to factory is complete. And it's now ready to add its golden glow to your food and health. Turmeric is not just a spice, it's a tradition, a healing agent, and a vibrant flavor. From the farm to your table, the turmeric manufacturing process is a blend of precision and care.
Welcome to Tech Machine, where we delve into the innovative processes shaping our world. In this episode, we explore the fascinating journey of chamomile farming in a modern factory setting. From cultivation to harvesting, witness the intricate mechanisms and advanced technologies that bring this soothing herb from field to factory. Thank you for joining us on this captivating exploration of chamomile farming in the modern age. Don't forget to subscribe for more insightful content on the latest technological advancements. Until next time, keep exploring with Tech Machine.